Welcome to our video. 10 unbelievable facts about technology that will amaze you. Learn startling facts about the history of the digital era, from the creation of the first website to the enormous ENIAC computer. Prepare to be astounded by the surprising ways in which technology has changed and impacted our lives. Let's start. Number 1. The first electronic computer weighed over 27 tons. The first electronic computer, ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, was a marvel of engineering. Constructed in the midst of World War II, it weighed more than 27 tons, filled 1,800 square feet, and required 150 kilowatts of power in addition to 1,500 relays, 7,200 diodes, and 17,468 vacuum tubes. Though it is dwarfed by modern smartphones in size and power consumption, the ENIAC was capable of doing complicated calculations far faster than any mechanical or human instrument of the time. Number 2. Only 10% of the world's currency is physical money. Only 10% of the world's currency is actually available as coins and banknotes, as you may have seen. The remaining 90% is digital and can be found on servers and computers all across the world. This statistic demonstrates the remarkable trend towards a cashless society, which is being fueled by technological advancements and an increasing dependence on online transactions. The way we see and use money is changing more quickly than it has in the past, due to our continued innovation and integration of technology into our everyday lives. Number 3. The first 1 GB hard drive was released in 1980. When the first 1 GB hard disk was introduced in 1980, it completely changed the face of technology. A gigabyte of data could be stored on a device. That was groundbreaking back then. This enormous storage container, which cost about $40,000, was about the size of a refrigerator. We now take the little, reasonably priced drives that can hold gigabytes of data for granted. Number 4. The Internet was originally called ARPANET. An innovative forerunner to the current Internet was the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET. ARPANET was developed by the U.S. Department of Defense in the late 1960s, with the goal of facilitating communication and resource sharing among researchers. It brought in important technologies like packet switching and network protocols, which are the foundation of the modern global Internet. An important turning point in the development of digital communication and technology was reached by ARPANET, which connected several institutions and enabled early data interchange. Number 5. There are over 3.5 billion Google searches per day. We rely on search engines to an astounding extent. Over 3.5 billion Google searches take place every day. This figure illustrates how reliant we are on technology for information access, issue solving, and communication. Whether for more in-depth questions or just everyday requirements, every search is an attempt to learn more. These searches demonstrate our increasing need for rapid knowledge and the changing influence of digital tools on our lives and decision-making as technology develops. Number 6. The first computer mouse was made of wood. Douglas Engelbart created the first computer mouse in 1964, and it was constructed of wood. This early prototype had a wooden case and a single button and was meant to be used to interact with computers. Its basic design served as a model for more complex mice that we use today, despite its simplicity. Engelbart's invention revolutionized computer interaction by transforming a simple wooden instrument into a crucial part of contemporary technology. Number 7. More people have mobile phones than toilets. A shocking figure shows that more individuals have access to mobile phones than to even the most basic sanitary amenities, like toilets, worldwide. According to recent estimates, about 2.4 billion people do not have access to adequate sanitation, whereas around 5.3 billion people own mobile phones. This startling revelation emphasizes how quickly mobile technology is spreading, especially in less developed areas, surpassing advancements in vital infrastructure. Number 8. The first website in history is still active. The fact that the original website, created in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee, can still be accessed today is amazing. Originally established at CERN to provide information regarding the World Wide Web project, this innovative website currently functions as a portal into the Internet's early years. Even though its design is outdated by today's standards, it is still an important historical relic that illustrates how web technology has developed. A fascinating look into the modest beginnings of the digital era and our tremendous growth may be had by visiting the original site. Number 9. The first webcam was used to monitor a coffee pot. The first camera, known as the coffee pot webcam, was invented in 1991 by scholars at the University of Cambridge to watch over a coffee maker. By using this clever gadget, users could monitor the status of the coffee machine from their PCs and avoid making needless journeys to the break room in case it wasn't filled. This early example of live video streaming demonstrated not only the capabilities of the camera, but also how ordinary problems can spark innovative solutions. It serves as an intriguing reminder of how basic ideas can develop into the complex technologies we use daily. Number 10. Email predates the World Wide Web. The fact that email existed before the World Wide Web may surprise you. Email has existed since the early 1970s, even though Tim Berners-Lee created the web in 1989. In 1971, computer programmer Ray Tomlinson sent out the first email, separating the user from the machine with the E character. This pioneering method of digital communication was important in creating the internet and setting the foundation for the globally connected world we live in today. Find out how this groundbreaking creation paved the way for contemporary digital technologies. I appreciate you seeing. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like these unexpected tech facts. You may expect more interesting insights. Press the alert icon to ensure you don't miss any updates on the newest technological advancements. Continue discovering the wonders of technology with us by forwarding this video to your friends.